In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can record a macro on Google Sheets. Very simple. So to do that, we have this sheet here. We are going to do some 1, 2, 3 edit on it. Yeah. So what we are going to do is we move to the extensions here at the extension tab, and we see macros, and you can see record a macro. Just tap on that. So you can see our new recording is on there. So let's try so Control plus, let's select this here. Control plus Shift. Good. So Control plus Shift and the right arrow. When you're using macro, you should be using your keyboard rather than your mouse. Yeah, it's very important. I think I'll make a longer video to teach about how to do all that. So now let's try to change the headings into impact and then bigger. Good. So you see my actions are being recorded here, something like that. And the days column 2, what we are going to do is we put our mouse cursor here on this, and then Control Shift and then the down to select that column. And now let's change them to let's change it to this. Good. I think it's okay. So this time's New Roman, and this is impact, and the rest I think is okay now. Now I save the macro. So let me make it edit, and you can add a shortcut if you want to. I'm not going to do that. Good. And now so to use our macro, we come to this section. You see macros here, you see edits is here. That's the name I gave the macro. Good. So now let's come to this sheet here. No. Let's try revert everything we've done here. And let's try to apply the macro on it. We're trying to apply the macro on something here, this table now. So here, macros to edit, running the script. We need to authorize for Google Sheets. Is a long process, but it's normal. Good. So the authentication is successful and you see it has changed. Yeah. So that's it on how you use macro on Google Sheets. So for every sheet you try to clean, you just come here to the extension and then you choose your edit, the way you named your macro, and you're good to go. But then using the shortcut is better. But then my keyboard is very weird, so I don't know the Alt key and the rest. That's why I don't choose to use it here. But then for Excel, I use that. So you can check my video on how you record macro 2 on Excel. So that's it for the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Peace.